Looking for the perfect remote control helicopter to take your flying adventures to new heights? In this video, we've rounded up the top 4 best remote control helicopters on the market. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 4. 805B. The 805B rechargeable mini RC drone helicopter is perfect for children and beginners looking for a safe and fall-resistant remote control toy. Constructed from durable plastic and electric components, this mini helicopter is designed for resilience and reliability. Packaged in a colorful window box, it makes for an appealing gift presentation. This helicopter offers a quick charging time of 10 to 30 minutes via USB and provides a flight time of about 6–10 minutes. The control distance is approximately 12 meters, making it ideal for indoor use and small outdoor spaces. The remote control, which requires 2 AAA batteries, allows for simple operations such as rising, falling, and suspension. Number 3. Hiwine Hi2. The Hiwine Hi2 RC helicopter is an outstanding choice for those seeking a large, durable remote control aircraft. Measuring about 80 km in body length, this helicopter is designed to impress with its substantial size and robust construction. Equipped with a 3.7-volt 2300 mAh lithium battery, it offers a flight time of around 10 minutes after a charging time of approximately 100 minutes, providing ample opportunity for outdoor fun. The helicopter features a 3.5-channel solenoid system, enabling it to perform a variety of maneuvers, including ascending, descending, moving forward and backward, and turning left and right. The flight range extends to about 100 meters, allowing for extensive exploration and flight versatility. The package includes the helicopter, a remote control, a manual, a charger, a tail wing, and 2 spare wings, ensuring you're well equipped for a seamless flying experience. Number 2. C86 Pro. The C86 Pro RC helicopter stands out as an excellent option for remote control helicopter enthusiasts, offering a well-balanced mix of stability and performance. Made from durable PA-PC materials, this helicopter features a rotor diameter of 256 mm and a fuselage length of 257 mm with a height of 81 mm. Weighing in at just 98 grams, it ensures a lightweight yet robust flying experience. The 4-way single-propeller design, combined with a no-aileron build and a 6-axis electronic gyroscope, delivers remarkable self-stability and smooth, ultra-stable flight. Powered by a body 7.4-volt 350 mAh battery, the C86 Pro can achieve a flight time of 13 to 15 minutes, with a charging time of approximately 40 to 60 minutes. The remote control operates within a range of 80 to 100 meters, providing ample space for impressive maneuvers. The modular battery system features intelligent power management, including a power indicator for easy monitoring and extended battery life. Number 1. Wooltoys XKK-110S. The Wooltoys XKK-110 SRC helicopter is an exceptional choice for enthusiasts and beginners alike. This vibrant red helicopter boasts a blade diameter of 245 mm and a body length of 240 mm, making it both compact and efficient. Constructed from durable ABS material, it ensures longevity and resilience. The 6-axis gyroscope provides unmatched stability, making it easier to control, especially in the beginner-friendly 6G mode. Powered by an 1106 brushless motor and a 3.7-volt 450 mAh battery, the K110S offers impressive performance with a flight time of 5 to 7 minutes after a charging time of about 50–60 minutes. The remote controller operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, extending the control distance to approximately 120 meters. Notably, the 3D mode, which utilizes a 3-axis gyroscope, allows for aerobatic maneuvers such as rolls, inverted flights, hurricanes, and pendulums, making it a perfect fit for more experienced users. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top 5 best remote control helicopters. We hope you found the perfect helicopter to suit your needs and take your flying skills to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and top picks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Fly high and happy adventures!